Welcome to the day trading, I guess, recap, September 1st, 2022. What did we do today? We came in today, we were leaning a little bit bearish out the gate on the SPY. We traded some stuff to the downside this morning, like Tesla and NVIDIA, all that good stuff. But mainly what we did is the best plays of the day were basically off the lows. Semiconductors led the market back to the upside, and we kind of hammered all those. As well as in the morning, I was talking about, if you do follow me on Twitter, guys, I was hammering the table on the drug names, and they did extremely well this morning. So let's talk about what we did. So this morning we grabbed some on the equity side. First and foremost, GCT long around the 1580 level. We got 10 points on that trade to the upside. It was a really good trade. Tesla, we grabbed this one long this morning for 2 points, grabbed it off the lows as well at the end of the day there for a couple more points, 5 points in total. MDB long this morning for 3 points on a little pop, and then we got stopped out the rest of their entries. mRNA, we're long this one. Ended up being about a about a 4.5 5-point trade into the end of the day. So we had a really nice push on that. Fantastic trade. Also tweeted to grab this one off the lows. If you guys do follow me on Twitter, I do give you free ideas, as well as in the Discord, the free Discord, all day long. More ideas in the free Discord just because I can manage it better, but you know, reason to follow both. JZ, we had this one overnight from 540. We got a nice point on it and change, about 1.5 points. I ended up selling that one into the morning move. QH, we took this one at 354 today. Got into the 440s almost, so that was a pretty good trade. All in all, nicely done on the equity side. Some names that didn't work. We tried this BIAF. We tried a small size on this, about 1/10. We got stopped out on that, so tiny size. We had some VRAX. We scalped that for about 40 cents to the upside. Actually, more like 80 cents. I'm just looking now. We tried some Veru. This one we ended up just getting out flat at the end of the day there. Then we tried some Nerve. That one ended up not working. Blue, we took this one long around the $6 level, and that worked out really nicely for us, as well as ALK this morning at 460, and we got a nice little push to 5/10. So all in all, equity side really good. Option side even better. JNJ 165 calls, killed it on those, 614%. NTNX took the 23 calls this morning for 300%. BMY 69 calls for 300%. So you can see all the drug names that we're doing. We took Walmart, the 135 calls for 236%. The CVS 100 calls for 205%. Beth popped out, or Beth mentioned these neg calls on the news, the 4 calls for, I believe she got 160% on those. And then we had all these names at the end of the day: AMD, NVIDIA, MU, and SPY, and all of them were really good. SPY got 170%, 396 calls, swung that overnight. MU, we had the 56 calls, over 200% on that one. The NVIDIA, I believe NVIDIA should be up about 200%. Grab these 145s at 16%. 16 cents. I didn't look at what they closed out at. 45 cents. So yeah, pretty close. Not quite 200%, but pretty close. I think it's like 180, something like that. 181%, I think. Just off the top of my head. And then, like I said, that MU and NVIDIA, AMD was the other one. The 82 calls, which worked out really nicely for us. They ended up getting in the money at the end of the day there, and I think that should be up 200% as well. We got pretty big pushes at the end of the day there. So 142, we had them at 222% on that. So pretty darn well. Anyways, so that's it, guys. If you guys want to come pop into chat, trade with us, you can feel free to do so. Sign up at spartantrading.com. You can also click on the Discord link in this description of the bio. Come into the free server. Tons of free resources for you guys to use. Can certainly help. But all in all, pretty darn good day. We did extremely well on the option side, equity side. I didn't mention ATXG. I had a short from 394, and I covered it into the end of the day. Well, actually halfway through the day there when it dropped through $100. Not a huge size, but it was a pretty good one. And if you don't believe me, here's my short. There we go. Pop out. Sorry, guys. 394.60, 20. But anyways, solid day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Market set up for continuation higher off the lows. Extension has a lot of room to be filled. And yeah, I think we're overdue for a little bit of a bounce anyways. Keep an eye on Meta as well. Really nice bullish action. That's another one I forgot to mention at the end of the day there. We got 100% change on that. The 167.50 calls there. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks, everybody, for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Lotto Friday. Should be a good one. Should be interesting.